First of all, in terms of the Constitution, and that's where we should start, for appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court, you could be a judge or a magistrate, you could be a serving lawyer, you could be an academician in any legal field, provided you have done that for at least 15 years.
Yes.
I see absolutely no problem in the mix of the Supreme Court, because you did have previous persons who had previously served as judicial officers, you had academicians, you had persons who have been in the NGOs, you also had those like Justice Njoki Ndung'u, with whom we wrote the Constitution.
Yeah.
So the mix is okay. And even moving forward, I do not subscribe to this belief that for you to have a good Supreme Court, you should have people who have served as judges. Sometimes we need people who have not served as judges to bring in that freshness of ideas and perhaps, to remove the conservatism. So the problems of the Supreme Court has not been the background of those who are appointed. It has been how they have performed their function.